It's 9:20. I just took 2 pain pills. This right hip, it's not the hip itself, but everything around it, like the butt cheek down to the knee and the back, the quads, the hams, everything hurts. This is miserable. It's funny, it's only been 3.5 years since my last one, having the left hip replaced, and I do not remember it hurting this bad. It hurts real bad. And then I just went to the bathroom and walked down the hallway, using the walker, of course. Oh my God, like back of my left knee hurts. It's like, what the is going on here? I sat in that chair from 1 to 8, and then I couldn't get the back to come back up. So I was stuck in a position, probably too long sitting there. I should have got up and moved, but I didn't. So yeah, that's where we're at now. 9:20. Pain is horrible. I don't even know how I'm gonna sleep lower, sitting like how it was, and then laying where you can't just shimmy and get to where you're, you know how it is. If you're pain, you can't move fast. Yeah, I can't move fast, and it hurts just to move. So I'm kind of got back pain going on, lower back pain, hip pain, knee pain, and this right leg goes all the way down to the knee as well. So yeah, it's a hot mess. I do not remember any of this on the left hip. I think I got up and walked the next day. That night, went to the bathroom and walked to the hallway, took the steps the next day, went home, and there was pain, of course, but nothing like it is today. This is shit. At times it's 10 out of 10. I came in with a pain of 1, maybe 2 at the time because my left leg was hurting. I don't know. So I'll come check in tomorrow morning and put another video out. See how, because I'm supposed to be out here by 9:30. I don't know if this pain, I don't, I'm supposed to go home, and this pain getting in the car is going to be a pain in the ass. All right. Hey, if you guys, the few of you that watched this, thank you. I really appreciate it. Sorry. Yeah, I'll see you in the morning. It's 1:01 a.m., July 22nd. My sleeping was on and off. She came in to give me my pills every 4 hours, pain pills. Thank God, because not moving, the pain levels would say a 1. Moving around the scar where everything got cut through, it's a 10. It freaking hurts. Yes, and once again, and I'll keep repeating it, I do not remember it being this bad the first time. Good night. So, 5:04, just took my set of pills every 4 hours. I have not moved at all. I fell asleep before 2 and had to wake up for the pills, so I did get some sleep finally. My body said, shut down, it's time to sleep. If you guys can hear me, I'm sorry I keep doing that, holding the phone in my right hand, and I can't move because I'm in this bed. I'm groggy, tired, but just from moving left and right and up and down, the pain has went down a little bit. She just says day 2 and 3 is worse, which I'm not looking forward to that, but it is what it is. I'm gonna try to go to sleep. I gotta be out of here by 9. Oh, God. 6:55 a.m. Day 2, surgeon showed up at the hospital. As you can tell, I'm in the hospital. He said everything went well. Surgery went well. Hip came out well. Went in well. Explained to keep up on the medicine, pain pills, muscle relaxers, and stool softener. Yay. So everything's good. I'll keep up on this more when I'm so tired. When I wake up on the way home. 20 to 8. Day 2. Back on day 2. This whole video will be day 2. Thanks, Jordan, for the omelet. Was amazing at a hospital. The shirt. Got up, changed, obviously. Bed's made for the next person. We have breakfast coming. I gotta do my walk up and downstairs, and then they're gonna send us out. Send me out. I don't think anybody stays here over the weekend unless it was something major, which I highly doubt. It's only joint replacement. Sun's coming up. Beautiful day in Omaha, Nebraska. groggy, got dry mouth. She said it's because of pills. Yeah, pain is a little less, but I now have been staying on the pills. I don't think I got them soon enough after surgery to stay above the or front of the pain. But it didn't hurt as bad going to the bathroom, walking to it and walking back. So breakfast is on the way. I got to be out of here by 9 or 9:30. They turn and burn, turn and burn. Leaving the surgical center now. I don't know what time it is. What is it, 9:30? 9:37. Wheeled out, got in the car. That was scary because that's always fun getting in and out of cars. We are driving a 2017 Traverse, which makes it a little easier because it's butt level. But away we go. Home we go. Homebound. Sitting, there's absolutely no pain. These little bumps, nothing so far. Check in later. Been home 5 minutes. All right, maybe 15. Sat down, and this is what I got. At least they waited for me to put the blanket down. Roscoe's usually between my legs, but I haven't got a blanket over that yet, so he can have his own little spot. She always holds this side down. Surgery was my right, so they're playing it safe. I do want him off, though. Oh, look how cute she is. My friend Terry gave me a recovery packages. Tag, at least not wearing. And what does it say? At least you're not wearing I can't see it, it's too tiny. Cone. Hey, did you call me a dog? Thanks, Terry. My help doesn't run when I ring the bell. All right, we're gonna end day 2 out. They say 2, 3 is the worst, up to a full week. I'll tell you what, yesterday was hands down by far the most pain I've ever been in. After the last one, this one, I keep saying I don't remember the last surgery, but it was horrible after surgery. Once the pain pills kept kicking in, it would be good. But even then, as you see in the video, towards the night, 1 a.m., 5 a.m., as long as you move, you're in pain. Right now, I'm gonna give myself 4 or 5 when I move and do the exercises, but that's not bad compared to, I'm still moving a lot better. Get rid of my double chin. So I'm gonna close out this day. This is end of day 2. Started out with yesterday at the end, and then today, this morning, as you see, from 9:30 or whatever it was, because every 4 hours you get the pills, cutting down to 1 instead of 2 of the pain pills, and going from there. All right.